Hey guys, welcome to Easy Paintings by Ishita. Today I will be showing you a brilliant home decor painting or a modern art for your home. This monochromatic combination of gold and black looks stunning once done, and it actually accentuates any walls of your house. So without waiting, let me show you step by step what all things will you need. And also do check out the description of this video where I will be putting in the links to get these supplies directly. Without waiting, let's get started. So to begin, I'm using a canvas pad, and along with that I'm using a black acrylic. I personally like to use acrylic color that has a fluid consistency. So in India, the brand Fevicryl has this consistency, and if you're in the US, you can use the brand Apple Barrel, and that has this fluid consistency of acrylic color. So once I apply the entire canvas with this acrylic, let me quickly dry this up with the help of a hairdryer. Remember friends, whenever you are using an acrylic color, you should always dry up the first layer, only then begin with the second layer. If you don't do that, it will look very scribbly and it will not look nice. Now I'm using a paper tape, and with equal intervals between each lines, I'm placing these tapes diagonally. So the first diagonal space is from the very corner to the other corner. And now I have picked up a very beautiful color which is gold. This is Indian gold in the code 100 that I recently found from Amazon India. I'm very surprised by the quality because this quality is not even available in US. Like the brands which are up till $20, none of the brands have this kind of quality in them. So I will put in the Amazon India link on the description, you can check it out. And then I have applied a thin layer of this gold color, and I'm drying this color with the help of a hairdryer. As it's dry now, let's remove the paper tapes. This is also called as masking tape. You can see how beautiful it looks already. And now I am taking a paintbrush that is used for watercolor. This is number 4. And with this round tip brush, I'll start to make the roses. So to make a rose, I'm first making small C-shape circle. I'm not joining the entire C's. There is a gap in the middle. It should actually look as squiggles. And then with the help of the same paintbrush, I'm beginning to make the petals. So the start has to be thin, then press the brush a little more to make it fat, and then again release the pressure to make it thin. So it should be thin, fat, thin. Thin, fat, thin. You would be able to see it again. So thin, put the pressure, fat, and then thin. Pretty easy to make a rose. Let's make another. Again, little squiggles in C shape, which is the center of a rose. And now, thin, fat, thin. Thin, fat, thin. Pretty easy. So before you do it on a fair copy, if you have never done rose before, I would like you to practice this pressure applying technique on a simple paper, and then finally go on to the fair copy. So the beginning is light pressure, then more pressure, and then release the pressure in a circular motion. Now let me quickly fill in the rest of the spaces with these roses. So friends, I personally like floral patterns a lot. If you don't like it, you can just go with geometric patterns with the help of a masking tape in any shape you can put in, and it will really help you to make clean straight lines. So I'm applying one more rose, and then we will make some leaf. For a leaf, I am making a tall C and again a small C with a little gap in the center. And it's pretty much done. I'm just filling up the spaces with some dots, and my beautiful painting is almost done. So friends, you can make these in a set of 3 and put it on your wall, or you can make it in a large space and put it on a large wall, just to accent that particular plant wall. So gold is a rich color and it looks stunning once it's put into any walls. So once I remove the masking tape, it's all clean and pretty. Did you like how it turned out? I absolutely loved it. I'm in love with this gold color, and just in one application I'm getting such brilliant results. So guys, definitely try this out, and I hope you liked today's simple tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and check out the other 70 tutorials that has already been uploaded onto my channel for acrylics. So see you soon. Connect with me on Facebook, also on Instagram for daily updates. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye-bye.